As an island nation, the UK is surrounded by waters and we are threatened by marine pollution every day. We have a thriving energy industry here and we have the busiest shipping lane in the world, and we have to be prepared to respond to every eventuality. And we do that through working very closely with the UK government agencies.
Joint Nature Conservation Committee is a nature conservation body. We provide advice to UK government that includes working with the other conservation agencies in Northern Ireland, England, Scotland and Wales, providing advice on nature conservation aspects.
The role of UK government is to ensure that there is an effective and coordinated approach amongst the UK agencies to respond effectively. UK government's pollution response system is one of the best in the world. It's important for us all to work together during a marine pollution incident to ensure the sharing of resources across the UK to mitigate against the damage that the pollutant may have upon our seas and upon our shores.
The seas around the UK are teeming with marine wildlife, right from seabed to sky. It's really important that we protect the environment to make sure that the wildlife can continue to thrive and that we can all use the sea and the oceans around the UK.